I know this guy is lying on his taxes, I just don't know how.
The numbers. The answer is always the numbers. Got him.
Bow, 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 bow. Ooh, pretty.
Our forward outpost has been obliterated.
It's always fun going on mounts that can talk. You ever ridden somebody who can talk? Don't answer that. Why are the trees fighting the fire? I mean, that's probably the only ones that are available, but still, that seems sad.
Yeah!
Hello? Take some time to realize, yeah. Ding!
Everyone pays taxes, dirtbag.
Easy, he's rich. The rules don't apply. He's shooting at us. Good, the windshield is a write-off.